Encoding. The process of converting the data or a given sequence of characters, symbols, alphabets, etc. into a specified format for the secure transmission of data. Whereas decoding is the reverse process of encoding, which is to extract the information from the converted data. So, in Python, base64 module provides us encryption and decryption of data with a great ease. Base64 encoding is a type of conversion of bytes to ASCII characters in which each character represents 6 bits of data. So let us see how this encryption technique is used in Python to encrypt data. To encode any data, first we have to convert that data into byte-like object using encode method and then pass the resultant output into the base64 encode method of a base64 class. Now, to decode any base64 encoded data, take encrypted data and again convert it into bytes and then pass it into base64 decode method of base64 class. It will show your result. So these are the main functions of base64 module. If you wanna read more, just visit docs.python.org.